But it's alright. I just go to socialize at the events. Put it right there. I'm gonna take it with me. Take the saw down, not down like, but just from where it's at. Position it somewhere a little more quietly, where it's not so noticeable. The saw behind you. Turn around. The saw and those drills. Put it somewhere they're not can't be seen.
I'm glad we got that thing in and we got some stones in. Right?
Yeah. That was the plan, no?
Yeah.
Put the fucking thing in. There wasn't gonna be a lot of movement.
Could have laid a circle over there.
Nah, but then what? Just lay the circle?
Yeah, put up to the circle.
Now we can lay all 3 circles tomorrow.
Yeah, but even then we gotta bring that bottom side up too.
Huh?
We gotta bring that bottom side up.
What bottom side? Over here? Oh, there, yeah. We'll raise that up first or what?
Yeah. Okay, Jake, I see you. Employee of the month. Okay.
Alright, y'all. I'm almost good. Cleaning this. But, yo, what's going on, man? Check out my recent uploads. Whenever y'all get a chance. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how y'all really feel. I appreciate everybody that's been joining. Looks crisp. Thank you, man. It's starting to clean up. I know it looked like shit earlier. That's why the union guy was a little upset, saying that it didn't look right. But it's all good. They don't know nothing. They don't know no better. They're usually done by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're here working twice as long and making way more money than them, but we're not gonna talk about that. Yeah, this is a process. It's a process. You know, you got to clean it as you go. Everything gets cleaned at the end of the day. And then when I'm really done with the job, I'm going to acid wash everything and it's going to look like this.
Okay, my dog Jay.
You know what I mean?